Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm Mari Financials, and today we have some amazing news. So, today at the morning, Bitcoin was sitting around 29,000, and I was hoping Bitcoin would hit 30,000 today or tomorrow, and it did. So, around 6:35 or 6:30, Bitcoin hit 30,000, and right now Bitcoin's sitting at $32,957, almost at 33, which is crazy. It hit 33 already at 10:35. But we just want this to occur tomorrow, so when market opens on Monday, my Riot call will be more valuable than what it is. So yeah, Bitcoin's doing really well actually. In the past week, Bitcoin's ran up almost $7,000, which is insane. And almost right here as we make the video, Bitcoin might hit 33,000 again. It's only like $50 shy away. And yeah, Bitcoin's been on a trend lately in the past month. 14,000, almost 15, which is really crazy. 3 months, 22,000, almost 209% gains, which is really insane. Bitcoin's so far is just sitting here around the 32 mark, which is pretty nice. Today it's gone up $3,000 and a little bit more. So why is Bitcoin going up, and why I think Bitcoin has so much value in the near future? So here are the public companies that are adopting Bitcoin as a reserve asset. So instead of holding cash, companies have now, started putting their cash assets, like 10% of their cash, into Bitcoin, 5%, 15%. And if we read here, you can see the $425 million in Bitcoin in the last 2 months. Decisions became important because of industrial approval of top cryptocurrencies, which is crazy. So they even have a Bitcoin trust. And then here we are. We can see Square has $53 million into Bitcoin, which means they have 4,709 Bitcoins. And some other companies. So, yeah. I believe a bunch of these companies are doing really well and not putting their entire, cash reserves into Bitcoin, just a percent of it, which is really interesting. And yeah, Bitcoin keeps climbing. I think it can, almost hit 400,000 in 10 years probably, or something crazy like that. But yeah, so far, so good. There's probably going to be a few, corrections there and there, since it's the run-up's really insane. Like $13,000 in a month. That's pretty crazy. So I think Bitcoin will run up, go down, and then just keep following this uptrend pattern until it keeps going. But yeah, athletes are getting paid in Bitcoin. I saw a news article saying that an athlete got paid through Bitcoin, which is kind of interesting. And yeah, so I think Bitcoin's really good. It has potential, but so far my idea on how to play Bitcoin would be just playing Riot calls or Mara calls or something like that, and then just profit. I'm gonna make another video today as well and publish it, and it'll be how to read the Greeks for options trading, because I know a lot of you don't know how much profit you'll get from options, or what makes your option devalue. So I'll try and have that up as soon as possible. But yeah, just to FYI, Bitcoin hit 30,000 plus today, which is a really good news, because each time Bitcoin breaks an even. So right here, Bitcoin was at 19, it broke 20, it ran up to 23, flat again. Then here broke 25 and went all the way to 27, and then keeps continuing doing that, which is kind of nice, because Bitcoin so far doesn't have a resistance level, so it just keeps bursting through and it keeps going up. So right now, $50 away from 33 again, which is really nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and post that video up. Just be smart with your trades. Don't risk it all. Don't YOLO options. Don't end up in Wall Street bets unless that's what you actually want to do. But yeah. Also, I'll be removing the intro and the outro from now on to see how it looks. I feel like it's just cleaner in general. And oh, there we go. We hit 33,000. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna remove the outro and the intro. I feel like it's too long, and I feel like it's outdated. So yeah, maybe in the future I'll make something better. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, take care and good luck trading.